Custom Hot Wheels, the ultimate collector's editorial. The rise of custom Hot Wheels culture. Hot Wheels have always been more than toys. They are miniature works of art, cultural icons, and collector's treasures. The custom Hot Wheels scene has exploded in recent years, transforming simple die-cast cars into personalized masterpieces. Enthusiasts worldwide are pushing boundaries with paint, decals, wheel swaps, and even full-body modifications, elevating Hot Wheels from mass-produced collectibles into unique expressions of creativity. Why customization matters? Customization is not just about aesthetics, it's about storytelling. Each custom build reflects the personality, vision, and skill of its creator. For some, it's about replicating real-world dream cars in 1/64 scale. For others, it's about wild imagination, monster-themed builds, alien-inspired designs, or futuristic concepts that could never exist in full scale. This freedom is what makes custom Hot Wheels so compelling. Identity and expression. Customizers showcase their individuality through unique designs. Community and collaboration. Online forums, YouTube channels, and collector groups share techniques and celebrate each other's work. Value creation. Rare or exceptionally well-crafted customs can command high prices in collector markets. The Ultimate Guide's role. The Custom Hot Wheels Ultimate Guide at Munkle Mike's is more than a checklist. It's a manifesto for collectors and creators. It provides step-by-step tutorials. From stripping paint to advanced detailing, the guide empowers beginners and veterans alike. Collector insights. Tips on sourcing rare castings, identifying high-value models, and understanding market trends. By blending technical know-how with cultural context, the guide positions itself as the definitive resource for anyone serious about custom Hot Wheels. The economics of custom collecting. Custom Hot Wheels are not just passion projects. They're part of a growing niche economy. Collectors trade, auction, and showcase customs at conventions and online marketplaces. Looking ahead, the future of custom Hot Wheels lies in innovation and community. As 3D printing, digital design, and AI-driven workflows become more accessible, the possibilities for customization will expand exponentially. Imagine collectors designing cars digitally, printing parts at home, and sharing builds instantly with global audiences. Conclusion: custom Hot Wheels are more than collectibles. They are canvases for creativity, engines of community, and drivers of niche economies. The Custom Hot Wheels Ultimate Guide captures this spirit, offering both practical instruction and cultural insight. For collectors, creators, and enthusiasts, it's not just a guide, it's a gateway into a world where imagination meets die-cast steel.